How to fix Telegram not downloading media. Having trouble downloading images or videos on Telegram? Let's fix it right now. Start by checking your internet. Slow connections can prevent downloads. Then open Telegram, go to settings and under advanced, click automatic media download. Make sure the boxes are checked for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the issue continues, go to manage local storage and clear some cache to free up space. Low disk space can block downloads too. Still not working? Try restarting your device or reinstalling the app. Do you auto download everything or keep it manual? Let me know in the comments below. And once tweaked, your media should download instantly again. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.